Well, I'm back in the unit, but not for the usual tasks. Today is, I guess, a bit of a special day. It's something that's come to fruition that I've been after for a very long time. And I managed to do a tax rebate for tools that I've purchased for work, which amounted to a substantial enough amount of money, which means I could afford to go out and buy my new box of goodies from Artec Welding. Now, obviously, as you all know from watching the channel, we've got 3 of these old Volkswagens, and I know definitely one of them that needs a bit of welding repair work. But yeah, you know, it would be massively helpful in just being able to do things with the cars. You know, the coupe, for example, terrible exhaust blow because there's a sleeve that joins the downpipe to the rest of the system. You know, I've always said that I'd love to take the entire system off, cut it, flange it, and make it, you know, proper, so I can just take sections out if I need to, and, you know, vice versa, actually have gaskets to stop it from leaking. So it'd be nice for things like that, but not only that, it means that once these are done and sort of, you know, out and the unit's empty, then there's scope for a potentially longer term project that, you know, I'll be able to do down here because we now have a welder. Patrice also shows an interest in doing some welding, so it'd be good for her. And it'd just be massively helpful to have this bit of kit in here. That means, you know, we can do everything ourselves. You know, this would be sort of one of the last pieces of the puzzle to make this place self-sufficient in that sense. So yeah, really excited to open the boxes and see what Artec have sent me. And then yeah, we'll be getting the trolley and everything built up, getting the welder on the trolley. I unfortunately haven't been able to go out and get a bottle of gas yet, so we're not going to be able to try the welder out today, but we are going to unbox the welder, get everything set up and on the trolley, and yeah, just happy that I've finally been able to buy it, happy that it's here. Massive shout out to the guys at Artec Welding. They've been really helpful in anything that I've asked, any questions I've had, and just generally a really nice bunch of guys to deal with. You know, speaking to them, they don't, you know, they don't care who you are or what you do. They just want to help. So yeah, it's been really nice to reach out to those guys and have a chat with them about this. And yeah, thank you to Artec Welding. Let's get the boxes open and see what's inside. Right, so that looks like the trolley. So I think we will put that aside for 1 minute. That is my welding helmet, I think. We'll start with the helmet, shall we? It's like Christmas. Yeah, it's been kind of a rough day today because that piece of shit has started giving me clutch problems again. About 2 and a bit years ago, I did master cylinder, slave cylinder, clutch, dual mass flywheel, everything on that. And yeah, it just, fuck knows. Seems like maybe the slave is gone. Auto darkening welding helmet. So this is one of their true color technology welding helmets. I think every welding helmet they sell now that's made by Artec Welding is a true color technology helmet. So basically really cool technology that means instead of seeing that sort of yellow or green sort of color through the welding helmet, it will be clear. So would really help when you're welding, just for being able to actually see your weld pool. Oof, look at that, fresh. Yeah, just really cool stuff, you know. And I'm glad I went for it. Really cool color as well. This is neat. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a really nice flaky blue. And yeah, be interesting to see what it's like when we can get some gas and actually try this bad boy out. Yeah, feels generally well made. Feels nice and sturdy. We've obviously got the sort of interface here which allows you to up the sensitivity. Yeah, so, and there's even a little low battery indicator there, so little test button. There's a battery slot there that you can replace. So yeah, happy with that. Cool looking helmet. And like I say, it'll be really interesting to try out the helmet with the true color technology. So yeah, that'll be cool. Very nice. Happy. There's piece number one. Patrice is probably going to cry. There's going to be so much cardboard in this place. Right, let's see what we have in here. Oh, there's some weight in this one. So I believe this should be my welding wire. Different sizes, so we've got some 0.6mm wire and some tips, and some 0.8mm wire with some tips. So that should give us plenty, definitely, to get started. And yeah, going forward should be good. Okay, so we know what's in them. Let us get to the main character. This colour I addressed, particularly. I think that's what is to plaster all over the internet. I'll tell you what, credit where credit's due. It's definitely packaged well. And funnily enough, when I left for work this morning, my dad told me not to bother bringing the cardboard back, so this is what we're interested in. Oh, what is this? Of course, he opens the box with a welder in it and goes for the workshop banner. Look at this. Oh, we're gonna have to find somewhere prominent for this. This is gonna have to go on our back wall. Very nice, thank you very much. First workshop banner. Sweet. So, take a quick photo of this. Show to Patrice. Very nice. We have been saying we need to get some workshop banners for down here, so nice. That's definitely going up on one of the walls. Awesome. Right, operation instructions. Keep them somewhere prominent because we will probably need them. What we got in here? Oh, look at this. Oh, they're hooking me up with the goods. Look at that. Very nice. Thank you very much, Artec Welding. That's a hefty mug as well. That's not like no cheap printed mug. That is a pretty serious mug there. Right, so got our MIG torch. Feels nice. Feels good. Good quality. Nice rubberized sheath in here, so it's not like hard plastic stuff. It's just going to go brittle and snap. So yeah, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Probably gonna have to get some more of these tips because no more luck. I'm gonna end up ruining one or two. So got some line for the gas, plug, wire, hefty earth strap. This should be my regulator. There you go. There's a regulator. And that's the other thing that's really good about Artec welders. You buy the welder, you get everything you need, except the gas, and obviously the wire, unless you order it. You get everything you need to get set up and get welding. It comes with the regulator, you know, there's no messing around. You get the MIG torch, you get the earth strap, you get everything. So, yeah, typically right as we get to the main event, the GoPro battery dies. As I was saying, yeah, they send you everything you need to get set up and start welding. So really good kit, really good service these guys offer, and I'm really impressed with everything I've seen so far. So I'm going to go ahead and probably, while the GoPro's charging, open the trolley and maybe start getting the trolley assembled, and I'll come back when the GoPro is charged. I do really need to get another battery for this, but I've just been so busy, so haven't managed to do that yet. But yeah, I'll get the trolley out and start getting that set up, and then we can get our welder out and we can have a look at the welder. So, I've built the trolley, I got the welder out of the box, it looks very sweet. Very nice, fits there very nicely. I was expecting the welder to be bigger, I'm not going to lie to you. The last Artec welder I used, and the only Artec welder I've ever used really, was the MIG180. And from memory, I mean it was quite a while ago, but from memory, it was slightly bigger than the 181. So, yeah, nice compact welder. Yeah, good quality build. Trolley was relatively easy to put together, despite the fact I dropped some bits and ended up with nuts and bolts all over the unit. But yeah, impressed. It's very nice to have it. I had to get my electrician head on and wire in a 3-pin plug, which was fun. But yeah, really nice sort of build quality and finish. It's not horrifically loud, and obviously, like I say, I'm yet to get any gas and put some wire in it and actually use it and have a go. But yeah, impressed so far. So it all feels good quality. The setup menu seems very easy to navigate through. But yeah, I think we shall call it there for the unboxing of the Artec 181 MIG welder. Yeah, chuffed. Very excited to actually get to weld with this thing. And yeah, like I say, massive shout out to the guys at Artec Welding for not only providing every one of their customers with an expert customer service and great products, but hooked me up with a garage banner and a mug. So yeah, shout out to the guys at Artec Welding. And look out for the follow-up to this video, where hopefully I'll be getting some gas, putting some wire in this thing and giving it a couple of trial runs. So look forward to that one. And yeah, like I say, that's about it from me. That's about it from the unit. Again, big thanks to Artec Welding. I'll see you guys next time.
Hey, it's me.